Collaborating, the unique style. In traditional schooling, students are focused on independent work and solely work by themselves. This limited their creativity in their writing because feedbacks are not given immediately, and students are not able to gain helpful knowledge on how to make the paper stronger. However, school curriculums have progressed over the years by switching over from independent work to collaborative work. Teachers are adapting to a style of collaborating, and this helps benefit students who try to make the paper better because feedbacks are given immediately. Students engage with one another by providing advices and tips and allow students to be creative with the papers. Additionally, collaborating has integrated the uses of technology platforms such as Google Docs for students to work and submit their essays online. This gives a larger access for students who are not able to meet up in person but can still work as a group through the web. Interpreting collaborative writing. The use of collaborative writing has increased for teaching students in the classroom, and it lays out the effectiveness in the writing by making it more coherent and structured. This style has been adopted by many professions because it gives college students a way to write their assignments in groups so that they are able to compose documents alongside their future colleagues at their job. Collaborative writing has provided the needs of not only making the students' paper better, but offers students multiple ways of that can be used around their social environment. Research studies. There have been multiple studies done by researchers to determine if collaborative writing is effective for students, and in the findings, majority is said to be that collaborative writing does help students perform better on their essays. The results are significant because collaborative writing displays a positive outcome for students who are struggling with writing on their own, and having multiple feedbacks be given is a great first step on how to become a better writer. Interview with Michelle Lee.
Okay, so today I have Michelle Lee as one of my interviewees, and she is a UCLA graduate, bio. And my first question to you is, have you ever heard of collaborating? If so, how would you define it?
Yeah, I've heard of collaborative writing. I think it's when a group of people are forced together to offer up their own ideas and thoughts and viewpoints of whether it's an argument or whatever, and they just form a draft together or a document stating in their own words how they feel about the argument or the topic.
As a BS major in bio, have you ever worked collaborating in a group setting?
Yeah, of course I have, but I think the variety of writing in high school and college is different. In high school, collaborative writing would probably be a group presentation or research or a book report. Then when I went to college, it would escalate to for example, in my core writing classes, we'd have to do a more thought out thesis report paper. And then in my science classes, it would be in the form of lab reports where you would work with your lab group and write about your experiment and stuff. So yeah, collaborative writing can be found in all sorts of social science and STEM classes.
And would you say collaborating is effective in a classroom setting?
I would say so, because if you are the sole writer of an essay, it's easily misinterpreted as biased because you are forming your paper based on your own thoughts and opinions through your own words. And when you work with other people who have opposing opinions, it's not always a bad case because it provides a more well-rounded paper where the reader can see both sides of the argument and just things in different perspectives that you wouldn't be able to get if it was just one writer.
Conclusion. As one can depict the idea of collaborating, it offers much help for students to improve on their essays. Collaborating is also versatile by having students able to work on their essays online, such as using Google Docs as a platform, because students can work from home or anywhere else if they are not able to attend class. Students can also make comments and recommendations on Google Docs. Moreover, collaborating is a new interactive way of how students are able to engage with one another and being able to help provide feedbacks about their essays, whether it be in a classroom or through online platforms.